How to remove a text from an image in PixVerse AI. So I'm over here at the home page. Let's go to image. Then upload the image with the text. I'm gonna upload this image. As you can see, the image is uploaded over here, and then write the text, remove all text. Make sure you have the right settings. Let's do squared image, and then create the image. Now we need to wait until the image is generated. Click on the image to view it. As you can see, it removed all text. If you want to only remove part of the text, because this image has text above and below. So make sure to include it in the text. And here we see remove text. And here we see. Let's create. Let's click on the image. As you can see, it deleted the text above but not below. And we don't see the whole image because the image is not square size, so make sure to pick the right ratio. Yeah, this is how you can remove a text from an image in PixVerse AI. If this video was helpful, make sure to like it, and thank you for watching.